Welcome to App Geeker, and today you will learn how to recover deleted contacts from iPhone. It doesn't matter how contacts were deleted or lost. Accidentally tap delete contact. iPhone update deletes all your contacts including your clients, lost contact along with the name, phone number, email in contacts or phone app, and they're deleted from iCloud too. To get them back, you can recover contacts on iPhone via a tool without backup, or restore them from iCloud or iTunes backup. The first contact recovery solution is to restore deleted iPhone contacts from iCloud. If you have enabled contact in iCloud or turn on iCloud backup before you deleted a contact from the device, it's easy to restore it. In a computer or tablet, go to iCloud.com in any browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Hit Account Settings. Locate Advanced Title and select Restore Contacts. To get deleted contacts back to iPhone, select an archive. Be sure to select the backup that's created before the contacts were deleted or lost. Click Restore. It will inform you that the archive of contacts you need to restore from will replace the current contacts in all your devices that are associated with the same Apple ID. And in the meanwhile, your current contacts will be automatically archived on iCloud so that you can get them back later if needed. Okay, now just press the Restore option to confirm to restore your contacts. Wait for a while and go to Contacts app in your iPhone, and your lost or deleted contacts should be back now, along with the pictures, name, phone number, email address, and more. What if you don't have a backup or you don't want to override the existing contacts in your iPhone when recovering the lost contacts? You may need to take a look at a dedicated iPhone deleted contacts recovery tool named iOS Data Recovery. Not only can it recover deleted or lost contacts and other files without using any backup, it can also extract the iCloud or iTunes backup and enables you to select only needed files to restore. Now go to appgeeker.com. Click Products in the top menu bar. Under For Windows title, find and click iOS Data Recovery. If you use a Mac, select iOS Data Recovery for Mac. Here, hit the download button, then install and open the software. Plug your iPhone into the computer with a Lightning cable. Once connected, hit the Start Scan button. It might take a few minutes to scan the device. Then, hit Contacts, and all your contacts including the deleted or lost ones should be displayed there. Click any contact to preview its detailed information like name, company, phone number, and email. Now you can check the box next to Contact to select all of them, or uncheck it to choose a few of them to recover. To retrieve the deleted contacts you have selected, click Restore to Device button. It will take a few seconds to get the contacts back to your device. To use the tool to recover contacts from iCloud, choose Recover from iCloud. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Then enter the verification code. Now untick the Select All box, check the contacts, and press the Start button. Preview and select the contacts and click Restore to Device button. If you have an iTunes backup, connect your iPhone to the computer and run iTunes or Finder. Locate and click your iPhone. Under Backups part, click Restore Backup. Choose the backup that's made earlier than when you accidentally deleted the contacts. Click Restore button. Know that this will bring your iPhone to its factory settings, and not only all your contacts, other data covered in the iTunes backup will be also restored. If you wish to restore contacts only from iTunes backup, iOS Data Recovery can help you. Make sure to download and run the tool on the computer that stores your iTunes backup. Then choose Recover from iTunes backup file. Select the backup that contains the deleted contacts and hit Start button. Same here, click Contacts, find the deleted contacts, select them, and click Restore to Device. That's all for how to recover lost contacts from your iPhone. If it helps you, please give it a like and comment below to let us know. Don't forget to subscribe App Geeker's channel and turn the notification bell on to stay updated with us.